Hello everyone, I'm Margaret. It's my pleasure to share with you the speech entitled The Balance Between Pleasure and Pain. According to neuroscientists, pleasure and pain are co-located and processed in the same parts of the brain. They work like opposite sides of a balance. When you do something pleasurable, the balance tips toward pleasure. When you experience something painful or stressful, it tips to the side of pain. The optimal condition for our brain is not to be tipped too long to either side, which means in a level state of balance. However, in modern society, it becomes increasingly difficult to restore this balance. The reason is that we have too many easy ways to stimulate dopamine, which often causes the balance to tip toward pleasure. To bring it back to level, we must experience an equal and opposite amount of pain. But as this process repeats, the pleasure side becomes shorter and weaker, while the pain side becomes stronger and longer. This makes us tip toward pain more often and fall into the trouble of being unable to return the side of pleasure. Our brain works very hard to avoid imbalance, so we need to find ways to help ourselves. The first thing we can do is to choose challenging but pleasurable activities more often. In other words, we release dopamine by overcoming challenges that require much effort and time. By doing so, we can gain equal amount of pleasure and pain at a time and strike a better balance. Thank you.